Once upon a time, there was a beautiful village. The village had green grass and big trees, but the people in the village were very lazy. They did not like to work. One sunny morning, an old traveler arrived in the village. He had a long, white beard and a friendly smile. He called all the children and said, "I have a secret." Lily took 5 small seeds and went to the field. The ground was hard and dry. Lily used her small hands to dig the dirt. She planted the seeds carefully. One morning, she saw a small green leaf coming out of the ground. Soon, the small plants grew into giant trees filled with beautiful, delicious red apples. The next day, every person in the village started digging the fields. After 1 year, the poor village became a rich green paradise. Hard work is the real magic.